As an adult, it's all too easy to feel like you've missed your window to pick up a fun new skill, whether it's figure skating, learning a new language, becoming a chess master, or any number of things. I, for one, have always been in awe of folks who can sit down at a piano and churn out beautiful music. But I was like, that could never be me. I was wrong though, because you don't actually need to take really expensive formal lessons or courses with a private instructor to develop some basic chops on the piano. There's tons of music apps out there that make the learning process really easy and fun. I've been checking out a few of these myself to see which ones give you the most complete learning experience, and the app that really stood out to me was Simply Piano. So today, we're going to be taking a closer look at what Simply Piano is all about. I'll walk you through how it works, my experience learning with it, their pricing, and why it could be the right choice to help you get started with a new musical hobby. All right, so if you've never heard of Simply Piano, it's a mobile app developed by JoyTunes, designed to help people of all ages and skill levels learn how to play the piano in a pretty simple way. And whether you're total beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, Simply Piano offers a structured learning pathway to guide you from basic all the way to advanced levels. They use a combination of interactive lessons and real-time feedback to teach you how to play. You start by placing your mobile device near your piano or keyboard. Then the app listens to the notes you play and gives you instant feedback, which really helps you correct mistakes and improve your skills in real time. On top of that, it covers a wide range of music theory, from reading sheet music to playing chords and scales, making sure that you get a well-rounded learning experience and a handle on the technical building blocks. Plus, Simply Piano has a vast library of songs across a lot of different genres, which makes the learning process engaging and keeps you motivated to practice regularly. Okay, so to get started with Simply Piano, the first thing you'll need to do is download the app and create an account. Then you take your quiz, which asks about your current skill level, your goals, the type of music you enjoy, and whether you prefer audio or visual instruction or a combination of both. This helps them to customize a learning experience just specifically for you. And since the app uses your device's microphone to listen to the notes you play on your piano or your keyboard, this means you don't need any extra cables or special equipment. Just place your device near your instrument and you're ready to go. As for their courses, the first 25 they offer focus on developing your basic skills, things like reading sheet music and playing simple melodies. After these initial modules, you have the option to choose between two different learning pathways, theory and technique, or chord lessons. If you offer theory and technique, your lessons will shift to focus more on classical music. But if you choose chord lessons, you'll start to learn pop, jazz, and rock just about right away. Okay, so now let's take a look at their plans and pricing. Simply Piano has a few different options to fit a range of budgets and skill levels. First, there's their limited free version, which gives you access to one course in piano basics. It's a nice way to see if you like using the app before committing to a subscription. Then if you decide to offer a paid plan, they have a 3-month individual plan, which costs just under $60. And this gets you full access to all of the beginner and intermediate courses, the entire song library, and real-time feedback features. It's a solid choice if you want to dive in a little deeper without having to commit long-term. Or if you're looking for a better value, there's also the yearly premium individual plan. It's priced at $120 per year, which breaks down to just $10 a month. And you'd get the same features as the 3-month plan, but for a whole year, which is great if you're serious about learning the piano and really want to save some money. But if you've got a family or just want to share access between multiple users, the yearly family plan will be your best bet. It goes for just under $180 a year or $15 per month and allows you to create up to 5 premium profiles. Plus, it includes access to both Simply Piano and Simply Guitar. It's perfect for households where multiple people want to learn different instruments. And if at any point you decide to try Simply Piano, you can use the affiliate link that's down in the description below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you'll even get access to our discount, which you wouldn't be able to get if you go directly to Simply Piano. Now, in terms of user experience, the app is designed to be really user-friendly and simple to operate, which is great news for people who are beginners like I was. And once you've created an account and completed the initial quiz, you can dive right into their lessons. Simply Piano gives you quick feedback on your playing thanks to its use of your device's microphone, like I mentioned. This means you don't need any extra cables or any extra equipment, just the app, your mobile device, and your piano or keyboard. Now, Each course begins with explainer videos, followed by practice sessions where you learn a few bars of music with a sheet music displayed at the top of the screen, and the notes highlighted on a keyboard displayed below. You'll play the piece together with a backing track, and the music scrolls as you play. The lessons are designed to feel more like playing a game than studying, which makes it way less stuffy than most traditional lessons. But if you still enjoy elements of conventional piano lessons, then you can also print out the sheet music to practice offline. Personally, I was pretty impressed with their catalog. They have over 5,000 songs from various genres available within the app. However, one thing I really wish the app included is a metronome feature. Although you can adjust the tempo of the backing track, you can't lower its volume or mute it, and some of the arrangements aren't always the most manageable without a beat. Something I like, however, is that they have a very active Facebook group where you can get support from piano teachers and interact with other learners on Simply Piano. But there isn't any live content, which might be a downside for some users. Now, the next thing is a matter of personal preference, but the app's colorful design includes lots of animations and sound effects, and this might be annoying for some people, especially since you can't turn them off. More experienced players could find Simply Piano too simplistic for them, but for many beginners, it's still a great tool overall to quickly learn the basics of piano, especially for kids and those young at heart. So to wrap things up, Simply Piano is a great resource for anyone looking to learn how to play. It offers a sleek, intuitive, and pretty straightforward user experience. It's especially great for beginners and kids with its wide range of lessons and real-time feedback. And while it has a few minor drawbacks like I mentioned, like the lack of a built-in metronome and the excessive sound effects, the overall experience, in my opinion, is really positive. It's engaging and worth trying out for anyone who wants to quickly learn to play the basic piano and the basics of playing the piano fast. Okay, that's going to be it for this review. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. Like I mentioned, if you decide to give Simply Piano a try, you can use the affiliate link that's down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave any questions or comments down below, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as we can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.